Thank you for joining me for this trade review video. We will be reviewing the March 23rd Nasdaq 100 trading session using the GoZone automated trading bot. Hello, my name is Ron Myers. I'm one of the founders of GoZone Trading. Our goal is to simplify trading by giving you the strategies and tools needed to make trading as easy as possible. So let's take a look and see how the GoZone ATB can make your trading much easier. Before we get started, please take a moment and pause this video and read our disclosure. This video is for educational purposes only. Please be aware that past performances do not guarantee future results. What we're going to do is go over a complete trading session and touch on every trade and test the ATB made along with the profit and losses. Then we will play the video of the same session, which is several hours long, but we'll speed it up so you can see the ATB execute each task with no interruptions in just a few minutes. Okay, the setup for this trade. We are risking 2% of our trading account on this trading session. Our stop loss is set at 60 points. We're having the ATB turn on right at market open, and we'll be running about 5.5 hours and shutting off about an hour before the market closes. We have the auto close trade on, and that will close out any open trades that we have at the close of the market. When the ATB comes out of the go zone, it will close out 75% of our trade. We have our first take profit at 120 points, and if we hit that target, it'll close out 50% of our trade. We've got a 1-point buffer on our breakout lines, and the maximum total loss I'm willing to take in this trading session is 4%. Maximum gain is 10%. And that is the total setup. So let's see how we did. Okay, here is the complete trade. The market opened here. Since we're already in a go zone, as soon as the market opened, the ATB put us in, went up and hit our 120 point take profit for $272. Then it came out of the go zone and closed us out of the rest of the trade at $225. Then we had a false start here. However, the breakout line was up here, so the ATB did not put us in on that trade. Started on a short signal here, put us in. We came down and grabbed our 120 points on this candle down here, and then came out of the go zone right here. So on this next 120, we made $242. And then when it came out of the go zone, another $175, for a total of $915.40, which gives us about an 8% increase of our trading account in just one cash market Nasdaq trading session. And one of the best things about this is this all happened while I slept. Not a bad way to wake up in the morning. Now let's take a look at the video and see the ATB in action. I would like to thank you again for joining me on this trade review, and I hope this helps you understand the advantages of trading with the GoZone ATB. If you have any questions, please email us at contact@gozonetrading.com. Until next time, have a great stress-free trading day. Thank you.